Now, another prompting technique that can sometimes be useful for certain kinds of problems or prompts is emotional prompting. And the idea here is that the response generated by ChatGPT should consider the emotional state or tone of the user's query. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to write an email response for a customer complaint that could look something like this. Here, with emotional prompting being used, we're telling ChatGPT that it should take the sentiment and tone of the customer into account when drafting its response. Now, it might be doing that without us telling it to do it. That's absolutely possible, but explicitly telling ChatGPT to take that into account. So forcing ChatGPT to take that into account definitely also isn't a bad idea and can save us an extra follow-up message or an extra prompt which we might have to send otherwise. So here, with this emotional prompting technique used, I do indeed get a response which actually understands that this customer seems to be quite angry and which therefore is drafted such that we hopefully calm this customer down and we provide a solution that works for the customer and kind of make sure that everybody's cool again.